Hi, I'm Ollie and welcome to my channel. A couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling through my email and noticed that OFRA was offering some mystery boxes. These promised to be at least $100 worth of value with a combination of full-size and mini-size products, and they only cost $15 plus $5 shipping. I thought I'd jump on this deal. I've really been enjoying the OFRA highlighter and blush that I pulled in my last round of Shop My Stash, so I thought maybe I'll get some new products to try out. Worst case scenario, maybe I'll get some products to throw into my upcoming 100 subscriber giveaway. I actually went ahead and ordered 2 of the mystery boxes at that price. I just couldn't resist. And these actually came in a couple of days ago, but I've only now found the time to kind of sit down and film this video. So I'm really excited to see what exactly is in these boxes. Okay, let's start with mystery box number 1. First thing I'm seeing is this banana powder refill, a Godet refill for use in palettes and kits. Here's a closer look at the pan. It does look to be magnetized on the back. I'm glad that I have those new Z palettes that I found at Ross from the Balm. I can stick this into one of those. Next product I'm seeing are these OFRA Cleanse It Off Cotton Lip Wipes. This is a 15-piece package, and I generally don't use makeup wipe removers, but maybe for swatches for my videos, this will come in handy. And unfortunately, I'm seeing my first repeat item. I can't believe that of the 3 OFRA products that I own, I'm getting a duplicate. So this is the OFRA for Madison Miller Blush in the shade All You Need Is Love, and I got this in a recent Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. I'm not going to even take this out of the packaging. I'll save this for my giveaway, but let me show you the product that I have. So this is the blush. It is a really pretty peachy pink shade. Next, I'm seeing this OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Wonderland. This, unfortunately, will be going into my giveaway as well. Not something that I can see myself wearing. This next product is kind of interesting. This is an OFRA Eye Gel Primer. I think I can get some use out of this. Okay, and I think this last product might be exciting. This is an OFRA Signature Eyeshadow Palette, Irresistible Smoky Eyes. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's what that looks like. I'm not sure this is a palette that I would have picked out for myself, but since it did come in this mystery box, I will have to give it a try. It actually reminds me a little bit of the Marc Jacobs Marktorial eyeshadow palette that I had in my for Halloween project pan. Maybe a little toned down version, so we'll see how this goes. So it looks like in this box I got 4 full-size products, maybe 5 if you count the 15 lip wipes, and this mini banana powder pan. Not bad for $15. Let's move on to the next box. The first thing I see in the second box is this OFRA Lip Gloss Love. Oh, this is such a pretty peachy pink shade, totally in my wheelhouse. Looks like I got another OFRA blush. Okay, this blush is in the shade Mai Tai. And it looks like a really pretty corally color blush, but when I look closely at it, I don't know, maybe it's just my eyes, I have the sun shining in my face, but I see all these kind of dark spots in it. I'll have to take a look at this later on. Repeat item. Another 15 pack of the OFRA Cleanse It Off Lip Wipes. This will go into the giveaway. Next, I got an OFRA highlighter. This is in the shade Star Island. And luckily, this is not a highlight shade I already own. It looks like a nice champagne-y colored highlight. There's a swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. Next, I'm seeing something else from the OFRA for Madison Miller collection. This is a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Sugar Cup. This kind of looks a little too purpley for my liking as well, but lip glosses do tend to be sheer. Hopefully this is not an opaque formula, but I think I'll do some swatch. I'll look up some swatches online and see whether I will keep this or not, so I won't be swatching it today. And the last item I have is a lip liner. This is in the shade Savage Red. Okay, it's just a regular pencil. I generally prefer gel type lip liners, but let's see. It's not a very bright red. Maybe it would be nice for some red lip looks during the holidays. So again, in the second mystery box, I did receive 6 items. I would say 5 full-size products and possibly 6 again if you count the lip wipes as being a full-size product. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my purchase of these 2 OFRA mystery boxes. I think they were well worth the $15 price tag. OFRA promised that each box would contain at least 5 mini and full-size products, and the value would be at least $100. I got 6 products in each box and at least 4 full-size products in each box, so very thrilled with that. And I even got a few products to stick in my upcoming 100 subscriber giveaway, so please stay tuned for that. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Bye!